Hi, I'm Paul Speight, Watch Manager at Leicestershire Fire and Rescue Service. We're at Mission Critical Technologies at the ExCeL in London. This morning I've been nominated, shortlisted for the Mission Critical Technologies People's Choice Award. Fortunately I won, which is great recognition for the work, not only what myself's been doing, but Leicestershire Fire and Rescue Service and our partners, RiVR. It goes with other awards we've won on this kind of project. The journey so far has been amazing. The stuff we're working on at the moment is groundbreaking, and with the leads we've got now within the National Fire Chiefs Council, it looks like the whole project will go national in a very short time. Leicestershire's chief is very keen to make this happen. He's very proud that Leicestershire are the lead nationally, and we've got other fire services now kind of ringing us up to be involved.